Relax lang.
Third call po, kay Kyla Claries and Christine Umantalco.
Kuya, relax lang, relax lang. Slow it down. Slow down. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Give your all, give your all.
Point number 2. Jaden Evan of Xavier School versus Kobe Tejano of ATBC, court number 2. Again po, Jaden Evan of Xavier School versus Kobe Tejano of
Yeah, return. Relax. Nice one, nice one. Slow. It's okay, it's okay. Kuya, mabagal ka sa bola ha, mabagal. Bilis ng konti. Out na, out. Good job, good job. Good job. Hinga, hinga, hinga. Hinga. It's okay, it's okay. Hinga, hinga.
Finals, under 12 singles.
Out ba? Out. Hinga, hinga.
Evan Sarkanda versus Jaden Evan Uy.
Hinga.
Again po, finals, court number 2. Evan Sarkanda versus Jaden Evan Uy.
Relax, relax, kuya. Relax, relax lang. Basic, balik lang. Basic, balik. Basic, balik. Uy, puta. Ganda. Sige, basic, balik lang. Nice one, bro. Control kaya, control, control. Control. Out na naman. Kuya, you're giving up ha? You're giving up. Do not give up. Do not give up.
Number 3.
Play.
Chantal Labing-Isa of Team JVMBC versus Chanel Apego. Again, on court number 3, Chantal Labing-Isa of Team
Good job, good job, good job.
versus
Good job, good job.
Apego.
Good job, good job. Ah, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Just don't give up. Play. Just play. Very good. Nice one, nice one. Nice one.